largest bank in America, it matters what Jamie Dimon has to say about things. Listen to him on Bitcoin. You have called Bitcoin a Ponzi scheme. You've said that it's as useless as a pet rock. What do you really think?
It's used heavily by sex traffickers, money launderers, ransomware. So I just don't feel great about Bitcoin.
Inflation getting higher, makes it hard on the buyer. Unemployment on the rise, gasoline issues filled with lines. Rent being paid late, please let the dollar circulate, let the dollar circulate.